While there are several email marketing or autoresponder services, we're just going to focus on the top four. Now just remember that at the end of the day, they all provide somewhat similar services. One thing to remember about email marketing, and a common question people have, is this: should I send HTML or plain text emails? Since HTML will allow you to style your message just like a web page, this is obviously the most aesthetic choice, but plain text is definitely the most reliable. Thanks to differing technologies, email providers can and usually do read emails differently. So just because you quote code the message correctly, certain servicers, MSN and Hotmail, excuse me, often mess up the original coding thanks to their own proprietary software. Email marketing software has come a long way over the years. So oftentimes you can create both an HTML and plain text version of your message, and your autoresponder provider of choice will handle who gets what version based on what they know about different email providers. But I wanted to make you aware of the fact that while HTML looks pretty, you can often run into problems in delivery. And not delivery like the message didn't go through, but delivery in how the message actually looks to the end user. With as important as email marketing is, this would be something to avoid at all costs. People don't want to have to work to read their emails. With many of us getting dozens and dozens of emails per day, I know for myself, if a message is sent to me and the pictures and text are all jumbled up, especially if it's from a business, not so much from someone I know personally, I'll just hit delete and go on to the next one. The moral of this story is to not let the aesthetics, or the hope for aesthetics, get in the way of your content, because your content is what people want, not the pretty bells and whistles. Each of the providers below have different ways they deal with displayability, which I'm pretty sure is a word I just made up, but keep that in mind. Here are four of the most popular autoresponder services. In the end, I would recommend either Aweber or MailChimp for your email marketing needs. There are some additional resources at the bottom of this page related to autoresponders and email marketing in general, so be sure to check that out, as well as the links I've included to each of these sites we've covered.